Hello my dear friends, this is YouTube channel Fuse Service, HVAC, electrical and plumbing, and we are here in wonderful office of our wonderful amazing company Fuse Service in Santa Clara, actually Bay Area. So in this video I would like to tell you what you have to ask and check with your contractor before you choose him to do your project. Maybe it's gonna be the project HVAC, heating, ventilation or air conditioning system, electrical or plumbing, or something different things you may consider to do with your home, office or industrial building. Let's get into it. Okay guys, the first thing you have to ask your contractor about their licensing. For example, Fuse Service does have 6 licenses in state of California: HVAC, refrigeration, electrical, plumbing, concrete and general contractor licenses. So ask your contractor, what kind of licenses do you have, my dear friend? Because if you are running air conditioning system, brand new or replacement, so the few things should be done by electricians or maybe professional plumbers, or maybe even the concrete little bit you have to replace, like the pad under your air conditioning system. So consider to ask them how good your contractor in these trades. The second thing you have to ask your contractor: do you have worker compensation insurance to these guys who do actually the work in your home? Or maybe you do yourself, but you have many other helpers in your company and all of them require worker compensation insurance. Because the thing is, if your contractor don't have this worker compensation insurance, who's gonna be liable if someone of these workers cut the finger, break the leg, fall from the ladder, or maybe they just stop breathing in your crawl space, or maybe in the attic because it's hot or very cold. So all of these conditions could be dangerous for all of these workers. And ask your contractor, do you have worker compensation insurance or not? Because Fuse covered everything on all these purpose. Number 3, do you have general liability insurance? Because the thing is, it is dangerous because the trade as ours, it can make a fire, it can make a lot of noise, it can make a leakage or everything, and can damage your actual property. Do you have general liability insurance to cover all of these things can happen? So ask about the risk management they may have or not. So Fuse Service does have very nice general liability insurance to cover all of the things may happen or maybe not, but all the time we have considered the risk what anything can happen. This is why we have general liability insurance. Number 4, what kind of form of payments to your employees do you have? Is this W-2 or 1099? Because if they will tell, I'm paying my employees to like a 1099 and I treat them as a subcontractors, that means they are not following the rules about the employment, or they are not following the rules about the overworking after work hours and many other things. If you gonna get the answer W-2, that means they are following all employment laws of the state where you are trying to hire your contractor. So 1099 or W-2. The right answer is W-2. Number 5, warranty terms. What kind of warranty terms do you have, my dear friend? Maybe you can provide me 10 or 12 years warranty, or just a little as a 3, or what kind of I have to do to cover all of these warranty terms and extend my warranty? Maybe you don't have an extended warranty, or what's gonna happen with my equipment after 5-6 years if I will have a broken air conditioner? Ask them these questions, because Fuse Service can cover up to 12 years warranty. It is amazing, I think. So are your contractor provide the same terms of the warranty or lower? Number 6, certification from the manufacturer of your equipment. So if you are installing something like a Daikin equipment, ask your contractor, are you certified from the Daikin? Are you certified from Carrier? Are you certified from Trane or maybe Lennox or any other equipment you are going to install in your wonderful, amazing office, house, industrial building? So certified or not certified? Because the Fuse certified with many manufacturers like Daikin, Goodman, Carrier, Bryant, Mitsubishi, American Standard, and many other brands. Your choice is your future. Number 7, the reputation and reviews. All the time when you're choosing your contractor for your projects, ask him, what kind of reputation do you have and what kind of service do you want to provide to me and keep your reputation keep going. So Fuse Service all the time does have reputation 4.9 because there is a many other customers all the time cannot be happy in any circumstances. So if you are a very nice customer, I'll be your very nice contractor to your electrical, HVAC or plumbing projects. Number 8. Ask about social media presence to your contractor. Do you have social media presence? What kind of pictures you have? What kind of video you have? What kind of person looking for the new customers as I do right now? Because the transparency of company who running the HVAC contractor is talking about a lot of things. I know you may think this guy talking too much. He tried to to do a lot of things, but for some of you it might be just it doesn't make sense to listen to me. But the thing is, I'm trying be all the time transparent with anyone, even for these kind of rewards we got for the past 8 years, because everybody know who I am, because I'm very open-minded guy and I do the same with all of our customers. We're running and growing a lot of location is in the United States. I'm the licensed contractor not only in California but in states of Arizona, Hawaii, Florida, Texas, Nevada and North Carolina. But the thing is, don't your HVAC contractor you may consider between us or maybe them have all of these things or rewards or even the social media presence, or are they enough transparent with their customers? I don't know. Choose the right one. Number 9, background check of owners of the company you're trying to be with for your project. See this guy who doesn't have the face? I'm the guy who does the face you are gonna work with, because I'm the owner of this amazing Fuse Service company and I have my partner Stanislav, and we all the time running the background checks for ourselves because we're taking the other licenses in different states, and all the time our background checks is available and is absolutely clear. I don't know, you can ask actually your guy who tried to do the work for your project, but the thing is, are you pretty sure about him and his past? Because I'm the guy who been working in IT industry for 12 years in Russia, and then 9 years ago I came to the United States and started this wonderful company. What do you know about your contractor? I'm not sure. I'm pretty transparent about all these things, and my partner Stanislav and Sergey as well. So consider to ask this question to your contractor you may consider to use instead of the Fuse Service company. Number 10, ask your contractor, my dear friend, what's kind of the mission of your company? No answer? What's going on? Fuse Service does have own mission, which is called ensuring the best quality of service and the best quality of life the company's employees. So maybe they have to consider to create own mission, but it's gonna take a time, right? But right now you have to choose the right contractor to your project. Next, Fuse Service for this moment for the January 2025 does have 190 employees, 110 of them working actually in the field, and we are running for all of them background check. Ask your contractor, did you run or what are you doing with the other guys you are trying to hire about their background checks? I'm not sure about the background check for this particular guy, but I'm sure about other ones because they are very reliable, very trustworthy guys we are working with. So ask about kind of these things to your contractor, or just to choose Fuse company. How did I get the idea to record this actual video? The many other companies and many other contractors can do maybe the same, but I've learned about the value creation and what kind of things any company can bring to the society and customers like we're trying to make happy. So ask your contractor what kind of value you create and what kind of goals you have, what the plans of your company for maybe 1 year, 2 years, and what are you doing for my city, what kind of missions you have, maybe goals and other things. So a lot of things you may ask him, but you know everything about Fuse Service company already, and you maybe make a right choice. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.